Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's a little late round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Here's what I'm start with Jalen in Florida. Jalen!
Booyah, Jim!
Booyah, Jalen! What's going on?
Hey, man. Thanks for taking my call. With the incoming administration, what's the likelihood for Kodak to fulfill our need for homegrown innovation in the future for vaccines?
I wouldn't bet on Kodak to be that big a part in the situation. As a matter of fact, I actually think that might be a good situation to be able to ka-ching, ka-ching, and find a better one. Hey, let's go to Matthew in California. Matthew!
Hey, Jim, thanks for all you do, and big booyah from the Marines, the Blackstone Company, 3rd Light Armor Reconnaissance Battalion.
Wow. Good work. Thank you. Thank you. What's going on?
My stock is Blackstone Group. I've owned it for about 2 years. Kind of take some profits to keep holding on.
No, you want to keep that running. Blackstone is really, really good situation. My dad was always scared of the Marines. He was in the Army. He said, listen, those guys go in first. What the hell's going on? They have to go in first. So congratulations on everything you've done for our country. How about Tasha in Maryland? Tasha.
Thank you so much for having me. So as a fairly new investor, I've mainly stayed away from retail stocks just due to the pandemic and the impact it's had on sales earnings. However, I've been looking into Best Buy, and I read that the company is projecting $50 billion in revenue by 2025, with plans to ramp up its technical support offerings and also venture into the senior healthcare arena. So my question for you, Cramer, is, are you bullish on the Best Buy stock for the long term, and when would be a good time?
For the long term, yes. I'm glad you put that in, because right now I'm recommending Costco and I'm recommending Walmart, because I think they're more able to deal with the pandemic. But longer term, Best Buy is fantastic. And remember, the renovation house trade is distinctly Best Buy because of the great TVs that they have and so many other good stuff. I love going to Best Buy. Let's go to Chester, Missouri. Chester.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Lieutenant Caspar from Kansas City, Missouri. I know my young sailors are playing video games on their free time. I'm holding Zynga, and after a bad earnings, should I be buying more or letting it go?
I'll tell you what's amazing. That stock made it all the way back is actually a testament to that new management, and I think you can hold on to it, and thank you for your service. Let's go to Daniel in New York. Daniel.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. So I got a two-part question for you.
Two-part.
All right. So you've had good things to say about AMD in the past.
Oh, my God, do I ever.
So with IBM and AMD partnering up, announced yesterday, what does this do, on your opinion, of AMD? And then second, will this move the needle on IBM?
No, not on either. By the way, Lisa Su worked at IBM, and I think it's a good announcement for both, but it won't move the needle. What'll move the needle is tremendous earnings from AMD and the closing of a very difficult deal that some people don't seem to like that I think is going to end up being terrific, Xilinx. Let's go to Nicholas in Hawaii. Nicholas.
Jimmy Chill.
Ha-ha.
Pleasure talking with you, sir. My question is for Salesforce. Is it time to initiate a quarter position for Salesforce?
I would do a quarter position. That's the way I would do it. I was thinking about buying maybe a partial. These firms have partial shares. Such a good thing. My friend Matt Horwitz suggested I mention that to everybody. He's absolutely right. But yes, it was downgraded today. I thought the downgrade was fabulous. I think it's a good place to start a position. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.